Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IVS Home School. This is Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is addition. EMB page 27, it means from page 27 of your elementary mathematics book will do some addition in today's class. Okay dear students, let us see what is our work today. I have written two questions from activity 2, question 7 and 10. I will solve these two questions here. As these are addition and we have to add horizontally, so we need to know how can we add horizontally. If we want to add horizontally, we want to add ones place with ones place, tens place with tens place, hundreds place with hundred place, and thousands place with thousand place. Okay dear students, so let us start the addition. Here ones place is 9, here ones place is 8. So if we add 8 and 9, what will be the sum? 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is 17. So we have to write 7 at first. If we get the sum 17 and we write 7, 1 will remaining here. Now go to the next place, tens place. 8, 3, 11, 8, 3, 11, and this one 12. So we have to write 2 in tens place, and if we write 2, 1 will remain again in hand. So we have to go to hundreds place now. Here hundreds place is 3, here is 5. So 3 and 5 is 8, and remaining 1, that will be 9. Now nothing will remain in hand, so we have to add just thousands place. 5 and 2, that is 7. 5 and 2, that is 7. So this is our answer for this question. Answer is 7927. So the required sum is 7927. Now I will go to the next question. We have to solve this question similarly. At first ones place 9, ones place 1. 9 and 1 is 10, so we have to write 0. So 1 left here. Now 4 and 5 is 9. 4 and 5 is 9 and 1, 10. Again 0, so 1 left again. 1 left. Now go to hundreds place. 5 and 4. That is 9, and remaining 1, that is 10 again. So we have to write 0. And again 1 left. Now 6 and 2 in thousands. So 6 and 2 is 8, and remaining 1, 9. Okay. So we can say the required sum is now 9000. So answer is 9000. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood how to add some numbers horizontally. Now we will learn how to add numbers vertically. Okay, now see. Just we have to add the digit below. Here is ones place, so we have to add all the digits of ones place. So add now here. 8 and 4 is 12. So write 2, 1 left. Now 2 and 3. 2 and 1 is 3, and this one 4, nothing left. 6 and 1 is 7. 6 and 1 is 7. Now nothing left. 5 and 3 is 8. So the required sum is, it means answer is 8742. 8742. Okay dear students, so let us go to the next question 11 of activity 3. This ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place. Now add 4 and 1 is 7. 4 and 7 is 11. 4 and 7 is 11. So write 1 left. Now 6 and 8 is 14 and remaining 1 15. So this will be 15. So if we put 5, 1 left. 1 left. Now 2 and 4 is 6 and remaining 1. That is 7 here. Now nothing left. 8 and 1 is 9. So our required sum is 9751. 9751. Okay. Now we go to the last question. Dear students, we can go to the last question. What is the last question here? Question 12 from activity 3. Now see here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand. Now add 9 and 3. 9 and 3 is 12. 9 and 3 is 12. So we can write 2, 1 left here. 1 left. So we can add these two. 3 and 8 is 11 and remaining 1, 12. So 1 left again. 1 left. Now 5 and 4 is 9. Remaining 1, 10. 0. 1 left again. So 6 and 2 is 8 and remaining 1, 9. So our required sum is 9022. 9022. 9022. So this is our answer for the last question. Okay, dear students. So we can say always when we add, we have to start from the ones place. We have to start from the ones place and gradually we will go to the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to do the addition horizontally and vertically. Okay, now depending on today's class, I have given 5 addition for your homework. This is your homework 3 and I have given this question from page 27. This is activity 2. Question 8 and 9 I have given. You will do the addition and question 3, activity 3, question 7, 8 and 9 I have given for your homework. Okay, dear students. So do this homework in your homework copy and submit your homework on next Saturday in the school campus. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then. Assalamu alaikum.